Hello there, family friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones on the road. Listen. Pay attention to what I'm going to tell you. And many of you have seen it, many of you have not. But when you go to a truck stop or anywhere that you are and you're hooked on to a trailer, make sure you check your fifth wheel. Always do a tug test. Let me show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, see right now? See the fifth wheel handle? Someone pulled the fifth wheel handle on this guy that was getting unloaded. And see right now? If you look in there, you see the kingpin? Look. That's the kingpin. See, it's loose. So the guy, apparently, he didn't do a tug test, which is a tug pull. Tug pull is easy. You know, make sure your lines are connected. The minute you turn around and you went inside to use the bathroom or did anything, man, I'm telling you, these scavengers, the first thing they do, they like to pull out the phones on you, right? They pull out the phones, and especially if they see a couple of companies. I'm not gonna mention no names, but the first thing they like to do is they like to pull out the phones and they start recording you, and they just thirsty for them views, man. They just like to see somebody messed up like that, you know. Okay, for a tug pull, what I normally do is first time I'm gonna brake, and then make sure that the trailer and the tractor brakes are set. So if they pop out, they are set. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna release the tractor. So when we release the tractor brake, we just pull forward, put it on drive, and then we just pull, move forward. So you make sure it won't detach. Same thing. Vice versa. Reverse. Pull forward. Just to make sure that it won't cut loose or break loose, rather. All right. Okay, let's take a look again. Let's take a look. There it is, see? Zoom in. Right there, you see it? You see the latch across? It's on. And then the handle is pushed in. You see it? See? So what I'm trying to say to you is watch your back, man, because they just do that for fun. There's a lot of scavengers out here. I call them scavengers because they are thirsty for views and to make something or see something happen, you know, and that's not right. So watch your backs, man. That's the pointer. Watch your backs. You don't want that to happen to you. And I know you've seen it. All right, my peoples, I gotta get going. I'll talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, be safe, fly safe. God bless you all. Love y'all. Catch you later.